Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas card, just like this one here. This is a very easy model to make, and you can customize it using two colors, which can be any colors you like. The only material you'll need is a square piece of paper. As the first step, we need to fold a little bit of the paper on each side. Once that's done, we can turn it over and fold the paper in half. Then unfold it and fold the right side to the middle. Then the left side as well. And turn it over again. Now let's fold a bit from the top down. Now in the same folded part, let's open the left layer and bring the paper to the left, like this. Do the same thing with the right side. Next, fold the bottom side up unfold it, then open this part a bit, and place the bottom part inside. With that, our card is ready.